coming at you with a different sort of video today. So, this is my first ever Colourpop order, and I thought I would take you guys along for this unboxing excitement. Don't mind me tapping and vibing. I had music on in the background. So, let's get into this. First, I ordered the Stone Cold Fox palette, a love I've had for years. As a cold-hearted bitch myself, this cool-toned masterpiece fits perfectly. I should also mention I was terrified to open this package. My cat decided to yeet it off the lounge. I was prepared to cry if I opened it and it was all shattered. I would also like to say I'm no professional content creator. My unwrapping skills are very much not aesthetically pleasing. The struggle was very real. You can also see me struggling through some of the swatching. So jumping onto the Stone Cold Fox palette, packaging of course is stunning with raised lettering. First shade to catch my eye was Mystery. We then went in with You Rock, followed by Play It Cold. This shade showed a little bit more matte on the website, but definitely is a shimmery in person. The same with Truffles. Instead of being a darker sort of tone on the website, it's a lot more of a cool toned glittery gold in person. After this, I show Genesis Sky. I really hope I pronounced that right. Magnetic Moon and Rock Bottom. Very excited to play around further with this palette. Some videos you might have even been able to spot me use it already. Favorite shade has to be Play It Cold. What's yours? Now, the Grinch collection. Again, beautiful and creative packaging all around. Plus, I loved all the shade names they created. The palette's packaging was 3D with gorgeous glitter detail, which was on the outer cardboard and the palette itself. It honestly felt like a crime just to throw out that outer packaging. Starting off strong with swatches on this one. First up, Cindy Lou Who, followed by Mr. Grinch, and then Tinsel, and Santa Claus. This next one blew me away. It's like butter, I thought. Right there you can tell it's my first time ever owning anything from Colourpop. This one was Cuddly as a Cactus, followed by Stolen Presents. This does appear darker on the website again. Who's Cheer comes next, and then Merry Very. I always have to test the matte purple shades. This one did seem a little bit chalky, as you can probably see in the swatch. As I said, not a pro at swatching, so this could have been my error. I swear the glitter haunted me for days after this video. It was even hard to get off, as I show in a video later on. But once I did get it off, I did spend 2 days sparkling like Vampire Bella. Next up, we have the eyeshadow sticks. 2 Super Shock highlighters, and who the hash let me loose on the Colourpop website, the stunning body glitter, so you can be a sparkly vampire from Twilight too. The shadow sticks that I show are called Whoville and Who Stockings. What a cute pair. Followed by Grew 3 sizes and 2 sizes too small in these gorgeous highlighters. Now, let's take a look at the gloss and liner sets. Adorable packaging from the cardboard to the products. First up, I show Pinky Who, or the Pinky Who set, with the plumping liner called Big Bow and plumping gloss called Small Who. The gloss is a clicker type gloss balm that did throw me off initially. Pinky Who was inspired by Cindy Lou Who, whereas this next set, Very Grinchy, is inspired by the green guy himself, featuring Santa Claus hat for the lip liner and Boo Hoo for the gloss. Next up, we have a set of the 3 swirl lip glosses with your classic gloss applicator. First, we have the Mean One, followed by Sweet Little Tot, and finally, Fake Reindeer. All the glosses did arrive on the more liquidy, a bit melted side. This also could just be the Australian heat being 35 to 45 degrees Celsius as of late the last few days, or even the last few weeks, I might add. Although this did not affect the sweet candy-like lolly smell that came from the Swirl lip glosses, which was amazing. Now, onto my final thoughts. I can see the hype around Colourpop, the beauty, affordability, and the quality in the products. I can't wait to see how these perform further as I get to use them more. In one of the clips, you can literally hear me gasp from how one of the eyeshadows swatched. Genuine amazement. When it comes to shipping, yes, I did see the horror stories on Reddit about packages being caught in customs for weeks. Mine did not. It spent 1 day in customs. I ordered this on the 8th of the 1st, so the 8th of January 2026. The expected delivery was between the 22nd of January and the 29th of January, but it arrived on the 19th of January this year. So 11 days from the time that I ordered to the time it was delivered for regional New South Wales. That's pretty good. Let me know what you want to see using these products below. Okay, bye.